So guys, this is a quick tutorial about how you can change the email on your Windows 11. It's a short and simple guide. Actually, I got a DM on Discord about this twice, so I thought, let's just cover it. Maybe many beginners are facing this type of issue. First of all, we will open Windows Settings by pressing Windows plus I on the keyboard, and it will open the Settings panel. And on the left side, you'll see the Accounts option. Click on that, and here you can see the email that is currently linked with your Windows. Now, to change this, first you need to unlink the account. Click on the option Your Info, and then you will see another option, Sign in with a local account instead. Inside the account settings, click on that. And now Windows will verify and ask you, are you sure you want to switch to a local account? So click on Next. Yes, we are. Now here, just to make sure it's really you, it will ask for your email password. Since it's asking for the email password, you can see it here. Type your email password, then click on OK. Now choose any username, and if you want, you can also set a new password here. Otherwise, just click Next. I don't want to set a password right now, so I'm just clicking Next. But I need to stop recording here, otherwise it will sign me out and my recording will get corrupted. So you simply click Next, and then it will ask you to sign out. Go ahead and sign out. Then log back into your Windows. After doing that, we are back. Now, if we open Settings again by pressing Windows plus I and go to Accounts on the left side, this time you will see the Microsoft account option here. You can simply click Sign In. And if this option is not appearing in your case, because honestly it happens many times with me too, what we will do is go again into Your Info settings inside Accounts and click on Sign In with a Microsoft account instead. So this time, click on that. Now simply put your email again. You can use any email here. Then click Next. Now it will ask you to choose a passkey. Basically, if your account is logged in on your Android device and your PC supports Bluetooth, then the option iPhone, iPad, or Android device is a good one to use. And if you don't have that, but you have a physical security key, you can also go with that option. Unfortunately, I don't have both options right now, so I'll cancel it from here and choose Other Sign-In Options. Then it will show you a few more methods. Here we will use the Use My Password option, and then simply type your exact email password and click Sign In. After that, it will ask you about the Windows password. If you are using one, you can enter it here. Otherwise, just click Next. I'm not using a Windows password, so I'm clicking Next, and then it will ask you to create a PIN. Now, I would suggest you always use a PIN, because first, it speeds up your login process, and second, it adds another layer of security. So click Next, create a short PIN, confirm it, and click OK. And that's it, guys. With this method, you can switch or change your Windows 11 email very easily. Personally, I always use a specific email only for Windows, and I recommend that too, because it makes a lot of things easier to manage. But yeah, that's it, guys. Hopefully you liked this tutorial. If it helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the Windows Fixer YouTube channel.